Вітаю.
Служу українському народові.
Дякую за службу.
Дякую.
Hi, Sad. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. The Russian media accused Ukrainian forces of the bombing of Lishychansk and the high rate of civilian casualties. But it seems that the things were not as they appeared. Russian sources revealed that the strike was conducted with Himars and it actually targeted a high-level Russian meeting.
The Ukrainian 3rd Brigade of Operational Assignment Spartan destroyed several pieces of Russian equipment. Among them are T-72 and T-55 tanks. The Himars strike on hospitality venue Adriatica in occupied Lishychansk in Luhansk Oblast on the 3rd of February destroyed dozens of LPR officials, including emergency services, Minister Alexei Podolshenko, public prosecutors, policemen, local deputies, and defectors. According to Russian sources, the strike was adjusted by someone present at the venue or nearby, knowing the positions of the attendees. The information about the strike emerged on Russian news channels, with the context that it was a random civilian bakery that was attacked. Official news present this as a strike against civilians, however. Leaks from smaller Russian channels reveal that it was a congregation of big local names that was targeted. A birthday party was being held there. However, it is claimed that some civilians, perhaps relatives of the officials, were also casualties of this strike. There are names of the targets floating about, but these are not confirmed. Ukraine did not take responsibility for this strike. Claims that Himars missiles were used come from the Russian side. The strike was not accidental. The adjuster was definitely nearby. And now you can write a lot about the people who are waiting for Ukraine, about filtration. In fact, there are much more waiting people in the distant Russian rear than in the Donbass. It's about something else. This tragedy should become a reminder once and for all to the residents of frontline cities, and not only frontline ones. Especially those residents, deputies, officials, those who invest in the restoration of the liberated territories, which are already hunted by the HUR, do not gather in one place. Do not gather in one unprotected place, making it easier for the enemy to destroy everyone at once, with one missile. How painful and sad it is to realize that this actually could have been avoided. Condolences to all the relatives of the victims, to everyone who lost loved ones and friends. It's sad. P.S. It's a sin to explain anything to the sick Bandera bastards, but I note with the hope that there is a drop of intelligence and conscience. Dead civilians, including pregnant women and children as young as 5 years old, are not a military target. And you continue to mock in comments and reactions. Your abominations have not affected anyone for a long time. But the Russians are becoming more and more convinced of what kind of people they consider you to be. However, I will periodically clean up the dirt on my channel. Russia. Central heating pipe ruptured in Nizhny Novgorod. The temperature will reach 0 tomorrow and will stay there for the week. Zelensky visited the front line near Robotyne, Zaporizhia region, which was liberated during the summer of 2023. He spoke with the defenders, thanked them, and presented state awards. It is an honor to be here today. Support warriors and reward. On their shoulders is a difficult, decisive mission to repel the enemy and protect Ukraine. We are proud of our soldiers, thank everyone, Zelensky added.
По-перше, маю велику честь сьогодні бути тут, підтримати вас і...
Користуючись нагодою, Шеврон 130-го окремого батальйону, хочу вручити вам на згадку.
Вітаю.
Служу українському народові.
Дякую за службу.
Дякую.
Дякую за службу.
Служу народу України.
Дякую.
Служу українському народу.
Дякую. Дякую за службу. Дякую за службу ще раз. Бережіть себе, ви нам всі потрібні.
The wife of a Russian mobilized man found out at the reception office of presidential candidate Putin that he did not have an election program. The reception staff explained this by the fact that he had only recently been registered as a candidate.
На приеме у штаба Владимира Владимировича Путина задавала вопросы по поводу демобилизации наших мобилизованных мужчин. Когда их уже вернут наконец-то в свои семьи, к своим детям. Написала о том, что мы устали. Задавала вопросы, спросила, когда Владимир Владимирович планирует возвращать мобилизованных домой. Мне ответили, что они этого не знают. Они не располагают данной информацией. На другие вопросы о предвыборной программе президента мы также ответили, что они не располагают данной информацией. Данная информация будет выложена позже, когда они не знают. Вот на этом сайте. Потому что, как мне объяснили, он только недавно зарегистрировал свои подписи и стал кандидатом в президенты. Поэтому предвыборная кампания у него будет когда, мы не знаем. Но время сказали, что у него еще есть, ее составить. Я задала вопрос, но если у него нету такой предвыборной кампании, а он собрал, как вы заявили, огромное количество подписей, почему это произошло? Значит, у него что-то было, что-то он обещал людям. Мне сказали, ну, может, люди просто симпатизируют ему, вот, и поэтому ставили за него свои подписи. Все.
Простите, как вас зовут хотя бы?
Кристина.
Кристина. И кто у вас мобилизован?
Муж.
Тоже с самого начала мобилизации?
Ну да.
And for the end, South Korean defense sales are better than ever. South Korean each major defense companies announced that the sales of weapons were the highest ever, and this will long last. However, there is one considerable matter in the Korean politic. Actually, this is a very unusual case. The Poland requested additional finance support as their massive defense plans, so we are currently working on such proper procedure law to deal with this problem. But just like all others, South Korean politics are busy because there's a general election soon. According to very recent news, both ruling sides shared same visions, so we expecting it positive. If this bill passes, we can do more weapons export, local support, technology transfer, and future platforms than first contract, although most of these are part of deal in first place. High-ranking officials, senior officials from government visited UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar for strengthen further defense relationship. And the Korean companies joined defense exhibition in Saudi, which is currently going on. The next big customer will be Romania.
Thank you for watching, I hope you liked this video. Stay with Warthog Defense with the best update on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.